Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive conclusive vocabulary guide by me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today we are ending with our D letter advanced vocab words 50. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Dearth, matlab kami. There is a dearth of skilled workers in the area. Dissonance, asehmati. The dissonance between the two leaders was evident during the debate. Decipher, samajhna. It took me hours to decipher the ancient script. Disparate, bhin. The two cultures are so disparate that it's hard to compare them. Differential, Adarpurn, he was always deferential to his elders. Detract, Ghatana, the criticism did not detract from his achievements. Diabolical, Shaitani, the villain's diabolical plan was foiled at the last moment. Derive, Prapt Karna, she derives great pleasure from reading. Doxology, Prashansagi, the congregation sang a doxology at the end of the service. Dilapidated, Jeerna Shirna, the dilapidated house stood abandoned for years. Dystopia, Vikrit Samaj. The novel presents a bleak vision of a future dystopia. Diffident, Sankochi. She was too diffident to speak in front of the large crowd. Dissonant, Asangat. The dissonant notes from the piano made the music unsettling. Dima, Apatti Karna. He demurred when asked to take on extra work. Disenfranchise, Matadikar se vanchit karna. The new law disenfranchised many minority voters. Discomfit, Nirash Karna, the unexpected question discomfited him during the interview. Decadent, Patansheel, the decadent lifestyle of the rich and famous was often criticized. Despondent, Nirash, after hearing the bad news, she felt despondent and lost all motivation. Detrimental, Hani Karak, smoking is detrimental to your health. Dichotomy, Dvait, there is a clear dichotomy between the rich and the poor in society. Deleterious, Hanikarak, the use of pesticides can have a deleterious effect on the environment. Dubious, Sandigd, his dubious behavior raised suspicions among his friends. Dogmatic, Kattar, his dogmatic approach to solving problems alienated his colleagues. Dissect, Vichchedan Karna, the professor dissected the poem in detail to explain its deeper meanings. Distend, Phulana, the balloon began to distend as more air was pumped into it. Discretionary, Vivekadhin, the employee received a discretionary bonus based on his performance. Derogatory, Apmanjanak, he made a derogatory comment about her appearance. Disconsolate, Nirash, she was disconsolate after hearing the news of her friend's departure. Dystrophic, Manspeshi Vikar se sambandhit. The dystrophic condition caused the patient severe muscle weakness. Disingenuous, Satya, his disingenuous apology made everyone uncomfortable. Defenestrate, khidki se bahar fekna. The angry man defenestrated the broken chair out of frustration. Discursive, Prasanganusar, his discursive speech made it difficult to understand his main point. Dispassionate, Nishpaksh, a dispassionate analysis of the situation is needed to make the right decision. Denigrate, Apmanit Karna. His goal was to denigrate her reputation in front of everyone. Dilatory, Vilambkari. The dilatory response to the emergency only worsened the situation. Disreputable, Badnaam. His disreputable actions led to his expulsion from the group. Decorum, Shishtata. She maintained proper decorum during the meeting. Devious, Kapati. His devious plan was discovered by the authorities. Duplicity, Dvaitikta. The politician was accused of duplicity in his dealings. Demeanor, Vyavhar, his calm demeanor helped to diffuse the tense situation. Demarcate, Simankan Karna, the surveyor demarcated the boundary of the property. Disenchant, Mohabhang Karna, the harsh reality of the job market disenchanted many hopeful candidates. Derisive, Uphaspurn, the derisive laugh made everyone uncomfortable. Deprecate, Ninda Karna, she deprecated the use of excessive force in the argument. Disabuse, Bhramdur Karna, I had to disabuse him of the idea that the task would be easy. Diurnally, Din Mein, many birds are diurnally active, feeding during daylight hours. Opposite is nocturnally, Raat Mein. Draconian, Kathor, the draconian laws made it difficult for people to voice their opinions. Debilitate, Kamjor Karna, the illness debilitated him to the point where he could hardly move. Discernible, Pehchanne Yogya. There was no discernible difference between the two paintings. Disambiguate, Spashtata Dur Karna. The professor disambiguated the complex theory for the students. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.